Well, hello, all my revivers, my old revivers and my new revivers. Thank you for being a part of the Reviver family. And guys, today I'm going to be transforming this table, which is one that I showed you guys several months ago that I got off of Craigslist. And I am not feeling the faux marble, and it is time to change and transform this bad boy. I love this table. This table was retailing at $1,600 just for the table, the glass and the base, over 25 years ago. This is a vintage piece, and I got it from an awesome seller who had a beautiful home. They were downsizing and moving to Arizona, so I was able to be blessed with this beauty, which is perfect for my space because it makes things look airy and still not look like the table's taking up a lot of space. So I'm going to transform this, and then after that I'm going to show you how I create my own bumpers, being that this glass is so thick, to protect the glass and the base of the table after I transform the color of this base. So stay tuned, let's get it going. Before I even get started, what I wanted to do is take a nice soft Brillo pad and kind of scrub it and get any stains or anything that might be stuck to the table off of it, so that way I have a smooth paint surface, guys. So that's what we're doing right now. My daughter and her friend is helping me. Teamwork always makes the dream work, and they always help me when I'm doing something. I'm always doing something around the house, trying to get this house to be what I want it to be frugally, guys. And I'm trying to share this journey and transformation with you guys. If you are new, go check out my downsizing videos and how it all began when we first moved in, knocking and gutting out the kitchen and knocking down the walls and all that great stuff. I'm going to be using some Rust-Oleum double coverage, and this is an heirloom white. And guys, if you don't have this little nifty little thing, this nozzle thing, you are missing out if you spray paint, because this thing saves so much spray paint and it gives you a nice smooth even coat when you are brushing this stuff on. So now I am drying off. I wiped it down with some water, and now I'm drying off the water to make sure that the piece is dry. And now it's time to spray. So simple, so easy. Yes, sir. All right, guys. All right, guys, so let's head back inside. Since this beauty is done and looking all smooth and everything, I'm gonna let that continue to dry, and we're gonna head inside and make the bumpers for the glass and the table base. All right, guys, so this is what you will need to do the actual bumpers for your table or whatever furniture pieces you need them for. You can also put these underneath like chairs or tables by gluing them or hot gluing them to the bottoms. So we have the measuring spoons, we have some oil in a little glass bowl, we have glue sticks, and we have paper towel and glue gun. I'm going to coat the inside of my desired size of measuring spoon. I'm going to take my nozzle of my glue gun and press it completely down to the bottom and let it just pull up over the nozzle. Don't worry, you can always get the glue off the nozzle, but you don't want air bubbles, so that is why you do it this way. Then after that, you're going to take and tap it on whatever surface you have. So now I'm going to take and tap it to ensure that no more air bubbles are able to form. After you do that, guys, it is time to take it over to the water. The water is what makes it come alive. The water is what makes it solid. So you want your water to be really cold, so cold as it can get out of your faucet is what you want. You don't want the water to be very vigorous, so you want to cut it down really low. And then after you get it to your desired temperature, and you want to take your actual piece and put it inside the water and let it slowly run across it. This is going to make it solid. This is going to make it form, guys. And this is the simple, easy way to create your own bumpers for your furniture, because guys, because these things are a little irritating to find the sizes you want. And as you see, Measuring spoons come in all sizes, so if they need it to be bigger, they can. And make sure you're using oil, especially if you're using like a plastic or some other form of material in measuring spoons. But since I'm using stainless steel, I didn't have to put the oil, but I figured it would be better to make them slide out so much easily. Look at me getting tongue-tied. So guys, that is it. I'm going to pop this bad boy out. See how easy this thing comes out once you put that oil in there? And now you have a full bumper, a nice thick bumper. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the table. So let's go ahead into the dining room and see how I utilize them. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like with the bumpers. For some reason, guys, I don't know what it was. When I first put the glass down, it was this haze of gray between the glass and the spray paint. I don't know if it was something with the spray paint. I don't know what it was, but this glass is so thick. I'm like, is it smudging the spray paint? I don't know what it was doing, but yeah, my table needs to be clean, so don't judge me. But anywho, I said, you know what? Maybe if I can get some bumpers, but this table was so heavy. The bumpers that I had were getting squished. And I said, Self said, I said, we have to figure out a way. And your girl came up with this way. I said, you know what? I'm going to create some using hot glue, because hot glue solves a lot of things. So this is what it looks like. And it is doing, what am I doing with the camera? I don't know, guys. I have no clue. Oh, I know what I was doing. I was still recording and not realizing I was recording. Yeah, but that's how you create your own DIY furniture bumpers. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up and make sure you share the video and make sure you subscribe if you have not, because it is free. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later, Gators. I hope my revivers enjoyed this video, and if you did, I hope you thumbs up. And guess what, guys? This is where your girl is on social media, but before you go, check out these great videos I have lined up.